My name is Sean Ouimette. I work for A5, a summit partner of Salesforce, and I'm an engagement director focused on project delivery and pre-sales engagements. The best way to deal with customer demands are to assess the need for urgency, the time to value, and what are the benefits that they gain most and offset by what they lose if they jump in too fast. You want to interpret and understand the need to deliver on a timely basis versus what they lose with short band-aid-like solutions. The implications of rushing into a solution design on the Salesforce platform or any platform is that you don't understand all the implications and exactly how users are going to be engaging with the solution. And if you don't understand your stakeholder team who will be engaging with it and everything that it's interacting with in that same org, then what you're falling prey to is over budget and over timeline constraints to what you're trying to implement. In de-risking a project with elements, you really want to focus on, are the processes they have, are they firmly in place? Do they understand the roadmap? Or are they coming to you in an advisory capacity where they want you to tell them what the process should be based upon what they've already built, and using elements to map out what that process looks like and really simulating what that future process would look like if they made these changes allows you to come back with the appropriate cost estimate and user stories for the capability. So coming more from an advisory perspective allows you to bring that benefit as a consultant, as a solutions integrator, solutions expert, to provide the best solution possible. So my favorite features of the Elements platform would be the ability to see dependency trees between objects, between any piece of metadata within the platform. My second would be the ability to get UAT feedback very easily from the interface instead of using an Excel defect tracker or something similar that is a more manual process. And for that to be integrated with Jira so that the product team can get that in real time. And my third would be the ability to see the entire data dictionary without having to manually extract that, write that down, and coordinate that. So it gives you your whole view of the platform, everything you've built, and a summary for each piece of metadata and grouping of metadata that you might have within your platform. So through Elements, we've saved about a month to 2 months on the average project where we're using Elements. We're able to easily map out the interdependencies, the stakeholders, assign each stakeholder to a process, and then come to them with the future vision. So in using a product like Elements really allows us to be able to fast track without losing efficiency and time to value for a project implementation so that they're getting the user stories, cost and timeline efficiently. And what could be a 2 to 3 months engagement, we're consolidating into 1 to 2 weeks because Elements is a solution that allows us to really hypercharge our success.